This is how to change a high beam globe on a Mazda 3 2004 to 2009 model. This is a 2007 model we're working on. So first of all, we need to remove this plastic cover with 3 screws on it. This is just on the one side, the cover. The other one doesn't have a cover, so I'm showing you the trickier side. So remove the 3 screws, make sure you don't lose them. Those screws are actually sitting inside a little sort of Dynabolt cover, a plastic Dynabolt cover type thing. So they will sort of secure it on top of this other unit. So basically we need to remove those little casings, and then we can remove the cover off the top, put that aside. From there we're looking at it's the light that's closest to the center of the car. So that's the unit that we want. We need to just spin this around. We have to just give it a twist, and then you can pull it off, and then obviously the globe comes out. So from there we need to, with my little fingers is pushing, just tapping that little spot there. That's like a clip. You need to push that little clip in, and then from there you can actually just slide the globe off the top. It's quite simple. So slide it off, get your new globes, and from there you just need to slide the globe back onto the unit. It's quite difficult to see. I'm trying to do this with one hand so you can actually see what's going on down there, but you probably want to do it with 2 hands. And then you just clip it on. That'll just slide straight down, clips on. It's ready to go back in the unit. It's very simple. So from there you just need to make sure you line those little notches up and get that flush, and then you need to just twist it upwards and it will lock into place. And there you go, test your lights. It's the light on the left, the light closest to the center of the car. So now that we know that it's working, we then put the cover back on, because we want to make sure the light's working before we put the cover back on. So there we just get the little Dynabolt casings, we stick them, line them up and put them in the little holes first, then we put the screws in on top, and then you can screw the screws down, and it will secure the cover in place. The screws won't bite tight, they will, but once they screw down into the little outer casing, it will push that out and secure it in. Now, I also have a video on how to replace the main headlight globes, and I have a link to that video in the description.